Hello, today we're building the monstrous $4,000 PC and I think you will like it very much. And I am really new to this PC Master Race stuff, so please guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and like the video for quality videos like this one. For the choice of motherboard, I didn't spend much time since I wanted cable VRM solution for this 12-core beast to be easily overclocked. Also, it should have had at least 2 addressable RGB headers so I could control all the RGB peripherals with the motherboard software, and the price should have been under $300. So, we stopped our choice on ASROCK X570 Extreme 4 motherboard with its 8 50 ampere power phases dedicated to CPU, which will be more than enough for 3900X to spread its wings under any circumstances. It also has support for 4800 MHz plus clocked memory in dual channel, and obviously aesthetics also played a big role while choosing this motherboard. And of course, motherboard has support for new PCIe Gen 4, which enables us to install NVMe SSDs, which are really fast and they might have better capacity for new generations of GPUs. And as I told you, the motherboard looks gorgeous. Let's switch over to the priciest components of our build. It's a magnificent ASUS ROG Strix RTX 2080 Ti with all its 11GB of GDDR6 memory. And this card doesn't need much of an explanation or introduction. In consumer segment, this is the strongest GPU available as of today. RTX cards also come with a bonus of ray tracing, which enriches today's games even more and gives them a new sense of realism that wasn't simply possible by last gen hardware. Also, DLSS enables us to play in 4K resolutions without much hit on actual performance. And ASUS versions of 2080 Ti is notable with its supreme cooling solution that stays quite under strong of workloads. And of course, it's really a beautiful card in my opinion. It has 3 different lightning zones and all easily controllable throughout software. And now I think it's time for you guys to listen to this. It's time for you guys to know about our CPU, and it's AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. This CPU is first of its kind in the industry, made with cutting-edge 7nm architecture, 12-core and 24-thread CPU. In time of filming this video, this is the most powerful CPU in consumer market, and since I didn't want it to have my house burnt down, I reconsidered buying 9900K. And with today's BIOS revisions, AMD CPU only falls behind Intel in gaming by only 2 or 5%, and that's only in 1080p. In any other workload, 3900X is 85% faster than 9900K, and 3900X puts out incredible numbers never seen before by AMD, and this socket promises to have a lot of potential in the future. AMD has already announced that the new 3950X 16-core CPU and its more generation is scheduled to launch on AM4 platform that is hopefully bring even more improvements. And for system memory, we of course decided to go with CORSAIR 32GB kit. CORSAIR Vengeance Pro RGB is in my opinion top memory kit out right now, and it absolutely looks beautiful with 11 individual addressable LED lights. Possibilities for customization and synchronization is basically endless, and 32GB is gonna be enough for any modern workload, and it can be easily upgraded to 64GB if needed. Next part is CORSAIR 815E RGB Platinum IO Liquid CPU Cooler. 280mm radiator will be more than enough to handle 3900X, and it will help maintain highest clocks while being really quiet and cool at the same time. And yeah, these fans are 140mm, and it's amazing how quiet it is. And of course, this liquid cooler is praised for its quiet operation and quiet pump, and also tubes are really flexible, enabling us to rotate it in any way we want. And also it is fully integrated in IQ software, enabling easy control of the whole operating process of AO, so you can like control the fan speed or anything you want. It's pretty simple. For power supply, we stopped on EVGA G3, a supernova 850 watts, and me and thousands of more people trust this brand for the stable operation of their systems, and I certainly understand why. It is built on superpower base and has high quality Japanese capacitors on 12 volt trail. It has full 850 watts of power. It's a modular, as you guys see, so it's really cool. Yeah, I like it a lot. And here we go, the building part. Now we're gonna be placing our CPU 9900K in the sockets, and yeah, here we are placing it. We're gonna place it really slow and really carefully because it has some teeth underneath. Now we're placing our CORSAIR Vengeance RAMs into the slots. I think they look really amazing, and yeah, we're gonna place it into the second and fourth slots, so it works like fully and good. Now we're putting on the fans on the radiator, and I think this fans looks gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, it's kind of a really hard thingy to put these things on, a little bit messy as well. And also we're placing the goddamn what is it called, thermopast on the CPU, so we keep it cool. I think it's really cool thermopast. And now we're placing the radiator on it. Obviously we gotta place this radiator, and what I don't like about the radiators is that the brackets are different on each and every radiator, and it's really hard to place it in. But yeah, we managed to place it in here. We're screwing it in and stuff like that, and now we're peeling it off. Okay, shh. So while building this PC, we had a little incident. The motherboard actually didn't fit in, so yeah, that was flopped up as well. But nothing is impossible, so we fit it in somehow, and we took out the radiator and stuff like that, and we fit it in. So now we're screwing in the motherboard, and after this we're gonna place in the GPU, and our PC is gonna be ready to go. So yeah, let's place in our GPU. It should say a little bit of click when we place it in, and yeah, let's place it in. This is head. It should say it click. I think it said it already. Oh, here we go, the click. And yeah, our GPU is in. Now we're gonna connect those two cables which are on the right. We're gonna connect them right now, and we're gonna turn on our PC after we connect these two cables. Are you guys ready? Because yeah, this is about to be beautiful and majestic. Okay, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. I feel paralyzed. And it's time for benchmarks. If you made it this far, you are literally amazing. So please comment hashtag Dan in the comments, and I will reply to you. I will love your comments. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I love you.